the garden where the flowers bloom so bright lives a little girl with eyes full of light. She loves the birds that sing in the trees and dances with the butterflies in the breeze. She chases the colors that flutter and play. With tiny wings, they lead her away through meadows of green and skies of blue. Her heart is joyful, her spirit true. With each step she takes, the world comes alive. Birds chirp sweet songs as bees gently dive. But the butterflies, oh, they're so free. They tease her with their flight so gracefully. She reaches out with a gentle hand, but they dance away across the land. Yet she smiles and it twirls in the golden sun, for in her heart the chase is the fun. The days end when the stars fill the sky. She waves goodnight as the birds fly by, and dreams of the day when she'll finally see a butterfly resting just for her on a tree.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.